Today, let's solve case scenario 2 from our case scenario booklet. This case scenario 2 is on the standard 9, which is talking about revenue recognition, and accounting standard 29, which talks about provisioning. We've done both the questions in our regular class, but let's do one case scenario as well. Start reading. Suman Limited. Interesting name of a company. Very difficult to figure out whether it is a guy or a girl. Suman. Yeah. Suman Limited is in the business of manufacturing electronic equipment, selling these at its various outlets. Okay, they are selling electronic equipment. It provides installation services also. Oh, there are two variants of business. One is sale of electronic equipment. Two is installation service. One is goods, other one is service. They are distinct and different. According to accounting standard 9, if you have to recognize revenue, AS 9 divides sale of goods recognition differently from sale of services or rendering services. If in case you sell goods, revenue should be recognized on transfer of three important things: transfer of risk, reward, and effective control. Transfer of risk, reward, and effective control, provided that we have no uncertainty attached to collection of the money. When the risk, reward, effective control is transferred and there is no significant uncertainty about collection of revenue, then you should recognize that as your revenue. This is for sale of goods. This is general case. There are special cases. Certain items, if the products are of special nature, it should be recognized only when it is installed. Only when it is installed to the satisfaction of the customer. You get this technical test done. You remember all of that? Such kind of a scenario. However, if it is a product where I can give the product, he can install it himself, or I can also install. Installation is an optional service. Then what would happen? We will recognize the revenue for sale of goods the moment we deliver. And if in case we offer installation services separately, then services revenue will be recognized only when we give the service and we have established the right to receive. For example, in this case, we are selling air conditioners. See, you can see it slightly later. What are we selling? Air conditioners. Now, I will give you the air conditioner. If you want, I can install. But if you want, you can install it yourself. There is no restriction that I myself should come and install it to you. You can hire one local electrician and local carpenter and also get it installed. In that case, I am selling the air conditioner to you. I will recognize revenue the moment I sell it, and full stop. If in case I tell, sir, installation free, it is included in the product, then I am not offering installation as a separate service. The money that I'm charging to you includes installation service. In that case, for the sale of air conditioner, revenue should be recognized only when the air conditioner is installed to the, technically it is installed and technically it is functional. Only then I can recognize revenue. However, I will tell, sir, AC 35,000 rupees, installation services 5,000. If you want, you can opt. If you don't want, you need not take it. You can opt out of it. I will deliver the AC at yourself. You keep it in hand, you hit one nail and then put it, you appoint someone else, you book on Urban Clap and then get it installed. Because I am charging 5. You think it can be done in 3,000. Get it done. We need to figure out in this question, are we giving both of them separately or is it one bundled service? Shall we check? Read. Beach resorts, leading resorts in the city. So before that, they've told equipment is sold and also provide 1 year free warranty on all such products. We give 1 year free warranty, meaning after we sell for the next 1 year, if there is any malfunctioning or repair, we will do the repair, but we will not charge the customer. We will do the repair, but will not charge the customer. Whenever we do the repair, but we don't charge the customer, we are spending the money on repair, but will not collect. That is an expenditure to be incurred in the future. You get that? But customers' product might go under repair, might not go under repair. So I have an obligation to give that service of repair. But is it present obligation or future obligation? Future. But is it like sure shot I would have to give? No, it is possible obligation. The moment it is a possible obligation arising because of a past event, it would become a contingent liability. In the past, I've sold the AC. So in the future, up to 1 year, I should give free service. So that warranty service will become my contingent liability. For every contingent liability, we will check for two important conditions. Number one, probable outflow. Number two, reliable estimate. If they fulfill the conditions of probable outflow and reliable estimate, then we'll create provision for it. Right now we have 1 year warranty. Let's see if they give some reliable estimate up to 4% of invoice value, up to 2.5% of invoice value, some kind of measure if it is given. Based on that we create. In your Jan 2025 examination, there was one question on provisioning, like this warranty invoice value 2.5%, 4%. Please do check it if you've forgotten this warranty concept and provisioning concept. Otherwise, let's continue. See this. For Suman Limited, for its resort, Suman Limited sold 5 ACs to beach resorts for rupees 45,000. Each of this, which includes installation fees of rupees 1,000 each per AC. So 45,000 includes 1,000 rupees in service fee. So if you have to recognize revenue for sale of ACs, we need to deduct that 1,000 and take 44,000 only. Understood? If you want to see it as one bundle service, we'll say 45,000 only. Read further. Company also offers 1 year warranty. That we know. The company also offered 500 rupees per AC trade discount. See, because it is trade discount, it has to be deducted from the cost of that selling price. We should deduct. If it was cash discount, we would have not adjusted. Trade discount is a discount at the time of trade. It will reduce our selling price. Cash discount is a discount at the time of settlement that will go to PL, and moreover, it will become income to the seller and expense to the seller, income to the buyer. It will be separate, indirect item. It won't be adjusted with selling price. I hope you understood. So can I now say the sale price is actually 45,000. 1,000 rupees of installation fees already included. But here I am offering installation service, sale of AC separate. So I will deduct that 1,000 from this. I will treat that as a separate income. So can I say just AC cost 44,000 selling price? In that I have given trade discount also of 500. If you deduct it, can I say 43,500 is the sales revenue per air conditioner? How many air conditioner have I sold? 5. Multiply that with 5. How much do we get? 2,17,500 is the revenue that I should recognize for sale of AC. For service of installation, I should recognize 1,000 per AC into 5 ACs, 5,000 rupees. 2,17,500 rupees should be recognized as revenue when the AC is delivered, not installed. When the AC is delivered. On installation, I should recognize 1,000 rupees per AC into 5 ACs, 5,000 rupees as my revenue. I hope you understood. Read this further. Beach Resort placed an order on 15th of March, year end. 16 days left for the year end. They ordered the ACs. Then what did we do? Payment was made on 20th March. See, 15th of March, they gave the order. 20th of March, they made the payment. But risk, reward, effective control is still with us on 15th and 20th March. When did we deliver the product? ACs were delivered on 27th March. 27th March, when we deliver the air conditioner to to that resort, then risk, reward, effective control is transferred. Sales revenue should be recognized not on 15th March when the order is received, not on 20th March when the money is received. 20th March when the money is received, I would write it as advance received. Bank account debit to advance from customer. I will write advance from customer account debit to sales entry on 27th of March. But this is only for sales of AC. That is 2,17,500. That 1,000 rupees per AC installation for 5 ACs, 5,000 is there? No. That will not be recognized on 27th March when the AC is delivered. That should be recognized when the installation is complete. Read the question further. Installation was completed on 5th April. 5th April is year 24-25. 5th April is year 24. Till now, this whatever we read, no, this is year 23-24. So 5th April, installation is complete. That is the date on which we recognize the installation service money. So out of this entire sale consideration, how much revenue should be booked in the year 2023-24? 2,17,500. How much revenue should be postponed to the year 24-25? 5,000 rupees for installation. So there are certain questions that they've asked. How much revenue should be recognized by the company as on March 31st, 2024? As on 31st of March 2024, you should recognize revenue of 217,500. Second question that's been asked, 217,500 is the answer. 217,500 is the answer. How much revenue should be recognized by the company in the financial statements for the year 24-25? That is next year. That is when we give installation service. 1,000 per AC for 5 ACs. I should recognize 5,000 rupees. 1,000 per AC for 5 ACs. I'll recognize 5,000 rupees. Did everyone get this? Then we have third sub question. This is 5. We have third question. What will be the accounting for trade discount? It should be adjusted against the cost of the asset. See, same will be recognized separately. Oh, no. A is wrong. Trade discount will be deducted determining the revenue. Yes, this is right. It will be deducted from the sale price. Did you all understand? This answer, deduct from cost or deduct from sale price. Deduct from sale price. Then let's go to fourth one. Deduct from cost is from the buyer's perspective. Deduct from sale price is from the seller's perspective. Fourth one, is the company required to do any accounting for 1 year warranty provided by it? I told you 1 year is future. Today you sold the product, within next 1 year if there is a malfunctioning you should pay money for it. So you have a liability, you have an obligation, but it is only possible obligation which is happening, which can arise or not arise, occurrence or non-occurrence is dependent upon future uncertain and uncontrollable events. So this is a contingent liability. However, if it fills two checkpoints, one, probable outflow, two, reliable estimate, then you would have to create provision. See which of the option fulfills the same. If you revise AS29, you will get these 2 points. Those are the only 2 points that we repeatedly tell. You can check AS29 quick revision video if you have forgotten this. See, no accounting treatment is required till some warranty claim is actually received. Incorrect. This guy has not read AS29. As there exists a present obligation to provide warranty to customers. Yeah, I'm there for 1 year. Yes, the company should estimate. Wow, provision is an estimate. The amount that it may have to incur. Very good. Considering various factors. Above, past trend. Correct. Because provision is accounting estimate. Accounting estimate is created based on the past experience and present situation. Past experience and present. Very nice. So it looks like option B is the correct answer. So what is the answer? They have to create provision based on past estimate and present situation, and only when it is feasible. When there is probable outflow and reliable estimate. Did you guys get this? See, fourth one, the answer is again same, no? B. Yeah, we marked it rightly. B. This is solution to case scenario 2 on AS 9 and 29.